Drew, come on. I'm recording now, so be PG-13 clean.
Dude, let me get chased by the homeless man and Drew can't run and he yells I can't run and he gets there.
Come on, Drew, let's go.
Let me go down first.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I think it might be even more than yesterday. Or the other day. I don't know. One moment. Whoa, I almost fell over. Whoa! Yo! Yo, it's flooded!
No, it's flooded!
Yo!
What?
Yo, the creek flooded. It's flooded in.
Sick. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Is there volume?
Yeah. Yo, it flooded in. We gotta go to the barn first. God, this really flooded.
Oh, dude, that's so sick.
That really flooded.
Dude, it's flooded!
Drew, the creek flooded. Come on, let's go look for the barn. Come on, guys. Okay, so now we're looking for a barn that's supposed to be burnt down near the end of this path. So that's what we're going to do now. Yep. Last time we were here, we almost died multiple times, so that was kind of fun. We gotta show Drew the homeless guy's house. That sounds weird, the homeless guy's house. Yeah, probably like, this whole thing looks a lot different than yesterday. You can just walk right under, Drew. It's really easy. It's nothing special. I've wiped the whole SD card of the camera's memory, so we should be able to like carry a lot of footage. Not coming. Oh, there he is, he's back there. Holy, this is pretty cool. It's nifty. Look at that tree over there.
Where is this barn?
I don't know. It might not even be here anymore, as I said.
How big is it?
My dad said it's pretty big. Yeah, but it was big. Like, it took up a lot of land. So we'll just have to keep following this path and find out. It might not even be here, as I said, so I don't even know how long this path is, to be honest. Yeah, we will, Drew, we will. Oh, I think I found a real cool spot, actually. So, I think it was actually right about here. So, it probably is gone now. But, over here, it looks like a very cool spot. You can't get... Wait up for Matt.
Okay.
How much of mayflies? I mean, Matt. Well, it looks pretty cool down there. We might as well just go check it out. Because, you know. This is cool, you know. Whoa. Okay, never mind. This is really cool. Look at this. Wow. That's really nice.
Oh no, we're creeping.
Yeah. Matt! Oh, he's peeing, Drew, he's peeing! Yeah. We're heading back to go under the train tracks and show Drew the house.
Oh, yeah,
We're gonna go head back and show Drew the house. We don't think it's here.
How much further is back road?
I don't know. God.
That much further.
Thanks for doxing the location, Drew.
Pardon?
Thanks for doxing the location. That was helpful.
What did you say?
Oh, he just gave away our location pretty much. I'm just gonna blur it, like beef it out. It's nothing too important. Yeah, that's definitely a first warning for you, Drew. Because you gave away our location of where we live. Like, imagine if we were live streaming or something, you know? Like, that would have been leaked to the whole world, even though nobody watches us. May fly down my throat. Except for the 12 people that watched our video last time. Congratulations to you and our 5 subscribers. Woohoo! Started the channel yesterday.
I feel like our 5 subscribers is us and Johnny.
That's 4. Who's the 5th?
You subscribe?
No, that 4.
You subscribe.
Us? I'm not subscribed, I don't think. Maybe. I don't know. Like with my main account, I don't think I'm subscribed. This is pretty nice. Okay, Drew, so you're gonna actually have to jump to get under the train tracks, or you're gonna have to cross the train tracks. Okay, I think I might, to be honest. Like, cause if I were to cross the train tracks, I would have a better chance of not getting wet. But then again, I'd have a better chance of dying, so. No, you have to see the, like, you're gonna have to jump. And it's a big jump. To get under the train tracks. Oh, you made it? Okay. Oh, I thought you had to jump. Maybe it was just bigger in my imagination than I thought it was. Yeah, I'm gonna try and be a better cameraman in our newer videos. And have less music and more talking. Yeah, the reason I had music is because I didn't know if it was that it was recording audio. If it recorded audio, I would have talked to the camera more and the people watching. Actually, the case provides better audio with it on than with it off.
Like vibration?
I don't know. It's weird.
Probably vibration.
With the case, it's a lot less harsh.
So this thing doesn't even that much better, right? So the next one, like,
Cave? Oh, already done that. We already did that in the second episode. We're gonna do videos based off of this creek and the other one, and then other spots that we can find. Yeah, I'm trying to ask around to find anyways like entrances into the sewer system, so we could do like a series on that, because that would be cool. Corey, would you go into the sewers in Amersu? Because like I'd be down for a video. Oh, never mind. You can just walk over here. Okay. Oh, this isn't 2. Oh, he's creeked in. Corey, oh my God. Oh. Here, let's head back. Oh my God, okay, whoa, okay, this is gonna be a bit of a challenge today. Look at the waterfall today. Okay, so, oh my God, okay. Oh, there's a bar that we can cross. Okay, come on guys. There's a bar that we can cross. Jeez, this is wacky today. I'm getting a picture of that waterfall. Sure, Drew. Okay, whew. Yeah, yesterday it was really good for this. I gotta get a picture of that waterfall though, 'cause that's nice. So as you can probably tell, same place as last time, or the time before that, because I uploaded a video again. So yeah, wow, this is pretty nice. I can't hear you guys over the waterfall that well. Wow, it is nice. I just gotta open up my phone real quick and take a picture. There we go. There are a few spots that would be nice for swimming. Yeah, that would be nice. I don't think so. Because this goes up to Taylor Kidd. I'm gonna obviously bleep out all the times that we say our location.
Or swear.
Yeah, because, you know, we're family friendly, PG clean. That's the best way to build up an audience, you know?
Yep.
I say you know a lot, you know? I've been realizing that, you know?
Yeah.
You know.
Okay, how do we find the house?
Matthew, first warning.
What did you do?
He said a bad word.
Hey, you know how I said the road that's over there? You know, the
You
one?
can say it, I'm just gonna beep it out.
Okay, back road?
Yeah.
Every time you have to beep it out, you should just make it say steps from the street by beach.
We'll see.
Wait till
People used to, ooh, wait, guys, come here. I did not notice this fact, guys.
go.
Wait, Drew. You're missing out, bud. You really gotta look. Okay, this is boring. Let's go back. Yeah, this is a waste of time. Sorry, guys. It's probably working. Huh? Yeah, we're waiting. Yeah, there's tons. Yeah, we know, Drew.
We should make an intro for this channel. Yeah.
No, that's really
Can it
dumb.
be me being Gucci?
Oh, actually, it has to be an intro of all of us with the anime music playing.
You should record it so I'm running like this.
I'd want my actual good camera for this, because I wouldn't want to record that with a GoPro. I want it to be like high
I
quality.
want to be in it.
Yeah.
We'll put you up in a tree.
I don't want to be in it. I'm the cameraman.
Can we take the quick way?
Yeah, we're obviously going the quick way. Now that's a dirt biking path. There are tripwires here for dirt, like for four-wheelers, because you aren't supposed to drive your four-wheeler here. So just be careful of those. People usually take them down.
Wow.
Just because this road isn't meant for four-wheeling, it's meant for walking. So if you find a tripwire, just like step over it. Someone will remove that. Looks like one might have been here sometime. What time is it? It is... Camera doesn't want to focus. It's 5:08. Yeah, we've got till 5:25 till we gotta head back and catch the bus. Oh. No, that's someone's actual house, buddy.
How do you know?
Because do you think someone would build a house and put a pea pot in there and just have a whole bunch of stuff to not live in there? Like, we don't even know if there... Yeah, there could be someone living there. Yeah, maybe we could become friends. And be like, hey, what's up? Let's be friends. Yeah, we did not die, almost. Except for the train part. We almost died, but that wasn't even in that video. There was like a clip of it. That was kind of scary. I almost pooed my pants. I might pee in the creek because I have a pretty full bladder right now. Huh?
Somebody should start gathering big sticks.
For the fire?
For recording.
Yeah, someone start gathering sticks.
Oh, you guys got sticks. What lighter do you have, Matt? I have a gun. Matthew? Or an actual?
No, he's that thing that he brought, right?
Yep.
This looks different than yesterday, just by a bit. I can't because I'm recording. The guy's house?
Yeah.
You want to go there yourself? Okay, I'll show you when we get there. No, we're not going right now. We'll point you when we get there, okay?
Literally right down to the store.
Remember when Johnny tripped earlier? Yeah, we're gonna have him back for some more videos. Yeah, see that path? You'll see the house from there. No, we're not. Okay, so let me, because I'm recording and I'm talking to the camera right now. Okay, so, oh my gosh, this is really cold today. So over there is a old campsite, and during the summer I actually crossed through this creek, and I got over there, and we'll all probably be doing that this summer, getting over there. Here, Corey, we're gonna go show some more spots. Yeah, we're not going there though. Yeah, we're not going there though. I'll show you guys the spot where I found my aviators that I'm wearing today. Here. See those? Yeah, I found those. Pretty nice. They're at the house over there at the moment. Yeah. There's other ones over there too. Are you going over there or are you staying with me? They're panicking because they think someone is actually here. I'm just giving them a good listen. So, over here is where I found my aviators. Are you guys coming? Guess not. So it's just me. If I die, this will be some footage on how I died. And how probably all of us died. So, not there, but right on here is where I found my aviators. Now I'm going to turn back. They're probably starting the fire, so I would like to get there pretty fast. Never mind, I don't think they are. We probably have the fire in one of the fire pits. Yes. That's smart, I'll take them. So, what did you think of the homeless guy's house? Just because I wanted to record. What, did you not really get a good look? Do you want to go in? I haven't even gone in there. There's probably like heroin. Got one. Oh, Drew. Wait. Is this ours? Is this a... No, it's not. Yeah, so, Drew, help me grab some, like, rocks. I can't with one hand. Sorry if the camera is going to be really bad while I'm grabbing these. And Drew wants to go in the guy's house, which is something I haven't even done. Oh, my thing. Got another rock. I haven't been here in a few months, except for the weekend. On the weekend, it was my first time going since like August. You know what? I'm throwing this out.
Why?
Do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay, cheers. No, you can't see it from that angle. I'm gonna find a spot to set up the camera so we can get this started. Here, Matt, if you move your bag and yourself, this could be a spot. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so we're just getting sticks now?
Yep.
Perfect, and we've got water to put the fire out. Oh no, just like put a wet lid on.
Yeah, well.
Not if it's wet. Okay, so we're back recording. Are you peeing? I kind of need to pee too. Don't look, pee-peel. Pee-peel.
Probably just record yourself being.
Yeah, you take care.
I'm a very good cameraman. Me of it. I think. Yeah. What? Could have been like that one episode of South Park when they set their teacher on fire. No, they wanted to play fireman. So then I forget. I'm pretty sure they freaking made a fire.
Yo, this is not gonna be safe.
It's not gonna be, but honestly, I would honestly just bulldoze it all into the water.
We could. That's why we need a big stick for that.
We honestly could.
You swat it all into the water.
Hey Matt, are we lighting it soon? We need more though. We need
That's
more.
fine, man.
Just go for it.
Go for it.
Step back.
We're gonna die. We're gonna die today. Or we're gonna start a forest fire.
Start it right in the center down there. Make sure you catch it in there.
We're starting a forest fire today.
Yeah.
I just like to let you guys know that. This is actually a retarded idea. What is wrong with us?
Back up. Light it down there, like get it right in the center of it. Because the leaves are just burning out and going out.
We're gonna die. We're actually gonna die.
Yeah, the leaves
Matt,
are
why do you still have it on?
Yeah, you need to catch it. Matt, you need to catch it right under there, like right over here.
It's going fine.
Ooh, ooh. Dude, this is going. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, right in there. That's a big spot right there. You want to light that stuff on fire? No. True. That kind of like. Oh, Matt, right. Okay, yeah, we're doing it. Oh, guys, we gotta keep feeding it if we want. Yeah, you gotta keep getting us clean.
I'm recording. Oh, it's warm. That's warm.
Keep going.
Sure, you suck.
You gotta throw it from that side.
You know,
Are you doing anything, Alex? It's out, guys. We need more.
look at me. Look at me. Look at me go. Ah, my pee-pee. Drew.
Matt, light that pile. It'll work good.
Now we're just creating smoke.
Oh crap! I said don't put any like sticks in there anymore. Oh well.
Whoa.
It'll catch. Keep going. Keep putting more on. We'll just like rope them. We need to make sure the big.
This is actually so cancerous. We should get some bark pieces.
That bark.
Sorry, just set up the camera. Man, dang. Oh, that's good stuff. Guys, I got some.
Throw it. Dump it on. Dump it on. You need to light it back. It's not great.
We're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. Oh, there's oh, yes. So, as you can see, there's 2 mating mayflies on me. Be free!
Can I burn them?
No, I already killed them. Look at that. Oh,
Corey,
man.
stop. It's killing help. Corey. Why you want to kill him?
Yeah, push them under there.
Yeah. God.
So I'm gonna start melding soon with my other mates.
Alex, what time is it?
We gotta dispose of the evidence that we were firing to. 523, we gotta... Quick, 523.
Light it.
We gotta just light it and then put it out.
No.
It's 523.
That light is. Yeah.
He's doing it, just give him time.
Keep on, man.
Matt takes the camera.
Try lighting the bar.
That kind of didn't help. How? How's that going now?
Touching under though. It's under there. Yes. Yeah.
I can't wait to put this out in less than a minute.
Fine. Keep getting us more. Who has to go?
Me. Matt. That little wheezy wheeze. The wheezy. It's getting lit.
It is.
It's getting low.
Getting lit.
Where's the fire putter outer 9000? Yeah, where is it? Fire putter outer, let's go. We might as well.
No, not yet. Not yet. Just go get more of these.
I'm not, I'm recording. This has been a really good video, you know? We tried to start a fire in the middle of the woods. This is the suckiest thing we've ever done. We've never failed more than this.
We're doing it though.
Well, it catches on fire.
Right on top. Right on top.
Nice way to burn your hand off, man.
Yeah, I know. We just need to catch something. There, that's good. Corey, don't touch it.
Corey.
Corey, that stick was on fire. I know.
You need to go over there. Let's give up. Time to say goodbye. Oh, whoops. There goes my shoes. Oh, what?
Okay, can we keep this here? Yeah.
Yeah, let's keep it here, but let's just put it out for now.
Don't drink in the water though.
I'm probably not going to come back here till the weekend.
Yeah.
Who's coming back on the weekend, right? Yeah. And then we'll actually have a fire, because I think we might as well give up for now.
Matt, can you put it on stick? How can you get like
No, probably not till Thursday.
Where's that? What is it, your daddy or stepdad?
Dad. Let's get rid of this. Bye-bye. Matt,
Yeah,
we gotta go in less than like 5 minutes. Probably like 5:30. It's 5:26. Yeah, because like if we miss the bus, I can't get a drive.
I said I could.
Oh, right, sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, our water putter outer 9000 fell over. Okay, this is sucks. Let's get rid of it. Okay, I'm getting rid of it. Matt, better back up.
I like saw water all over the way.
I told you to back up. I'm getting rid of it.
Yes, and then I was like, I had to leave that gap.
You should have pulled it back then.
Dude, I let go of the back. Can I just come and
No, you
cloud
should
it
have
in the
pulled it
water?
away from the fire.
If
Or-
you want, Corey. Cloud it in the water? Yeah.
No, we need this for the weekend.
Can I pick up the birch log for the...
No, we're keeping this all.
You guys know we have to move this, right? Why?
Why?
Because we don't pass it. And that's chocolate.
Yeah, we shouldn't move it off, but we're keeping it
Yeah,
here.
but careful though, it's gonna be really, it's or it should still be hot, so you need to move, we need to like destroy the rock.
Yeah, we're leaving the rocks here. That was the plan. We're not leaving it all here.
We're gonna cloud in there now.
Just the tops, like not the rocks. Be careful what you're grabbing. Well, I'd like to say goodbye to my very good friend.
That could have been, no, that could have been our stick for like the fire, around.
Yeah, well, it's too late for that, isn't it?
Generally, you don't want that stick to be flammable.
Flammable? Flammable. Flammable.
Everyone uses like flamboyant. You guys on the fire? Have you ever been really interesting? Yeah. No, but have you? No, but have you ever like?
Okay, we're putting this out, right, Matt?
With the fire before? It's childhood fun.
Yeah, look, I used to have fires in my backyard.
Yes. Oh yes. Okay,
Okay, let's head back, guys.
Guys, I found the meat. No. Anyone focus on the
I
fish?
know, I already threw it in there.
Oh.
Just put it on the fire.
Who's getting changed to who?
Um,
Because I have enough to change.
I'm going. I'm going.
That, so everyone will go on.
No, I'm recording. That's my recording.
Okay, well, you gotta go. What time is the bus coming?
We're not. How many times have we said it by now?
Alright.
Yeah. Do you want? Do you want to catch the bus, Drew? Do you want to catch the bus that bad?
Where are we going right now anyway?
We're heading back to the trestle.
We're heading back to what?
Trestle. It's like where the water goes under something. That's what it is. Or something like
Oh,
that.
we're gonna chill there for a bit?
Yeah. It's. We've been recording for 34 minutes.
Does somebody want to go on the leash other than me? Here, Alex, here, you can hold the leash.
I feel unsafe. What? Drew's coming to attack me.
Oh.
Oh.
You can't run, I think we're fine.
Yeah. Oh, my nipples hurt.
Play. That's those legs on the top.
You know that, I forgot what it's called, but you know when your nipples get rubbed by your shirt and it hurts really bad? And they can bleed? Yeah, that's happening to me right now.
When you have dry nipples. It's called dry nipples.
No, it's when you're, you know what I'm talking about, Matt? When your shirt rubs up against your nipples and it gets really, like, hard.
Yeah.
And, like, it can, like, break off. And,
What?
like, bleed. Well, your nipples can bleed from that.
Has it happened to you?
No, but it's happening right now.
It's called dry nipple syndrome.
No, it has a name. It has a name. It's about, like, your nipples getting, like, rubbed off.
Nipple dry? Nipple rub nipple?
My nipples are actually in, like, such bad pain right now.
Family friendly channel, eh?
Yeah. Well, we're not swearing. Well, we can talk about, like, our nipples. Yeah, you can say that, too. You can say penis. You can say vagina. You can say boobs. Or breasts.
Because that's the correct definition. You just sit here and just rest.
Yeah, these are actually hurting really bad.
Or you're coming on the... I feel like if our channel does become something big, I feel like parents are going to be watching this and like,
Yeah.
what the
Yeah.
Corey, you're on the leash
No, but,
now.
like, I'm actually touching my nipples right now.
You're on the leash.
So, if you guys don't know, I'm touching my nipples really hard. Like, ask Drew.
Yeah, if you want me to film it.
No, I don't. That's, like, child pornography.
Yeah, pretty much. Does anyone want to be my play dog? I'll put the leash.
No. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. I'm glad that we could edit this video though